Hey guys, one of our biggest launches this week at World of Concrete is the brand new K535i battery power cutter. Now, this is the perfect power cutter for both applications where you need to be up high on a ladder or a scaffold, or if you're doing landscaping, hardscape work where you're just making some quick cuts, or even doing rebar cutting. This saw comes in a couple different battery configurations that you can perfectly match to how long you expect to be working. For example, our BLI 300 battery is over 335 watt hours of power. That's going to give you about 40 to 45 full cuts on a 12 by 12 paver. Let's take a look at a few of the features of this saw. The K535i is designed to be completely lightweight, maneuverable, and super easy to operate. Getting started on your job is as easy as taking your battery pack, which is also compatible with all Husqvarna battery tools, confirming your full tank of fuel, hit the power button, and go to work.